Astakaliya Seva. Astakaliya Seva means Ashtakal. Through the 8 periods of the day, morning, noon, afternoon, night, the gopis are there serving Krishna. Sadata Yuktanam. And Priti Purvakam. Priti Purvakam means absorbed in selfless love. Selfless. Everything for the beloved, nothing for me. No calculation, no business. I scratch your back, you scratch my back. No, only I scratch your back. I don't have a back. I'm backless. I have no back. I don't know anything. I have no back. No, only you. Selfless. Sadata Bhajatam Priti Pur. And then those kind of devotees that are always absorbed in serving Krishna and are in that selfless mood, then Krishna, he says, Tesham Sadata Yuktanam Bhajatam Priti Purvakam. This is Priti Bhajan. Selfless. Then Dadami Buddhi Yogam. Dadami Buddhi Yogam Tam means I give Buddhi Yoga. Buddhi Yoga means Buddhi. Buddhi means intelligence. Means discrimination. Power of discrimination. Choice. Make the right choice. Krishna gives that choice. Make the right decision. Give the right intelligence. So that's the gopis are expert in this. So when Krishna sees the gopis in the afternoon by the banks of the Yamuna or anywhere he sees them, then he glances at them. It's called Krishna Kripa Kataksha. From a sidelong glance, he glances at them, and in that glance, in Krishna's glance, he gives them Dadami Buddhi Yogam. In the sidelong glance of Krishna, he gives the gopis the wisdom, the intelligence, and the discrimination, how they can steal away from their homes and families and so-called husbands and meet Krishna at night. And that's called Mam Upayanti Te. Mam Upayanti means meet me.